Okay, I just wanted to show you what we did yesterday. We have this reaction with water, and we're going to put electricity through it. That's why I put electricity. I can put a little dot there. Electricity there. We're going to break down water to make hydrogen and oxygen. And what I have here is I have it with this macro scale version with this tubing. See all this glass tubing? And it's attached to the black wire and the red wire. And if you look inside each tube, there's bubbling at the top of the metal piece here, and there's bubbling at the top of this metal here. And what it's producing is the oxygen and the hydrogen, okay? And it's bubbling out the gases from water. And it's using this big battery box, this power box, to do it. So you have a black wire and a red wire, okay? This is the bigger scale version of separating out water, okay? The other thing about it is, if you notice, is that I have the tube, it was up here at the top for both levels when I started earlier today. And now you see all this gas being formed, the water being pushed down with more gas being made. And you see how low it is for hydrogen. And over here, it's not as low. You actually have twice as much hydrogen as oxygen, okay? So what we have here and what we did yesterday is we worked with this pencil set, okay? And I wanted to...
1 second, technical difficulties.
I wanted to set this up because I'm now going to do a portable way, and this is on page 2 of your lab, but we're setting this up so you guys can see it better in case you didn't see the full reaction yesterday. So what I'm going to do is put the pencils in the water, and you actually see the bubbling right here. I don't know if you can see it very well, but you can see the bubbling on this pencil. It's the black wire.
Go back.
It's the black wire. And it's bubbling, and it's bubbling a lot. And then this is the red wire, and it's bubbling a little bit, but not as much as the black wire. Okay, so notice that this is the black wire, and this is the red wire. And what's going on with the black wire is that it's a negatively charged wire, and it allows the hydrogen that's positive to attract to the negative wire. And then the oxygen is being formed here with the positive red wire. So if again, you can look at the bubbling here. We're going to blow it up. See the bubbling here with the hydrogen being made. Notice how much more bubbles are being formed compared to the oxygen. And you can see some of those bubbles, but just not as much as the hydrogen. The other thing is I put in this chemical called phenolphthalein, this chemical here, and it actually makes part of the water look basic with the pink color as another indicator of a chemical change. So this is just a side reaction that's going on. Over here, there's acid being formed, but it's clear, and this is forming some base, and it's pink. It was just a secondary color for you guys to see that. Okay, so down here on your observations, you're gonna write down the pink and show the pink forming on the black wire with a lot of bubbles, and clear with the not so many bubbles on the hydrogen of the oxygen one. Oxygen is the red wire, hydrogen is the black wire. And we're going to write this out in class. It's not written out right now, but we're going to balance the equation. But I wanted to at least let you see the reaction a little bit better with the video. Okay? Thanks.